a very special word, and that is Bai'at.
Okay, this is obviously something you will hear at Jalsa, specifically on the last day.
Yeah.
And I think people are going to speak about what it feels to them, but I think what it means literally is to sell yourself to God.
Getting together on one hand.
Yeah.
And making all those promises which came from our promised Messiah.
The word I would describe as definitely emotional, definitely to, we say that we're already Ahmadi ourselves, but once we go to the bad, we're practically re-entering.
Loyalty and being faithful, it's the same thing. But like you said quite rightly, that coming together on one hand and showing your loyalty and your oneness together as one community.
I think of Hazur as well when I think of Bai'at, and when Hazur wears the clothes of the promised Messiah as well. I think that's what I think of Bai'at.
And I think some of those things which we pledged are things like obviously not worshipping God, but also things like killing the arrogance and pride inside yourself.
Yeah.
And I think that really does come into play in Jalsa when you come and you're being directed by people who are doing duty. They might be younger than you. They might be people who you might seem like, oh, why is he telling me to do this?
Yeah, yeah.
And at that time and at that moment, regardless of what you've been told, you've got to do that, and we'll do it with a smile on your face as well.
Yeah, of course.
And that's what Bai'at really means, and it reminds me of that at Jalsa as well.
Bai'at is what makes people get close to Khilafat, close to Allah the Almighty. Bai'at is such a unique experience that no one in the world has seen in other gatherings.
The Bai'at, I can't really describe what it is. So for all the viewers who are out there, and if you want to know what Bai'at is like, tune in on the last day of Jalsa Salana to see and witness what the Bai'at is actually and what it feels like, because you can feel it through the TV as well.